Adrian Mays, CCC Because We Care Foundation presents the 16-week AI-powered ad agency Accelerator Work and Learning Experience Program. Leveraging Billie Jean's Marketing's AI mentorship genius will give you a simple business plan to generate income using artificial intelligence, even if you don't have anything to sell or any type of tech experience. Do you want to generate more income in 2024? Using artificial intelligence but don't have anything to sell or any type of tech experience? This Work and Learning Experience Program is for you. Let Adrian Mays with CCC Because We Care Foundation give you a simple business plan and help you set it up over the next 16 weeks. Adrian Mays, AI Genius, is sharing the lessons learned from Billie Jean's AI-powered AI Accelerator class held January 2024 till April 2024 with the world. Detroit to San Diego. ChatGPT Revolution, your captain here, Adrian Mays, AI Genius, with CCC Because We Care Foundation, giving you acts of kindness and AI marketing education. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, he states, "I've always said AI is the most profound technology humanity is working on. More profound than fire and electricity?" Let's take Andrew Ng, CEO of Landing AI, co-founder of Coursera. AI is creating tremendous wealth, and it will continue to create tremendous wealth. Let's try Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. AI, this is the Renaissance, the golden age. That's his quote. What about Jordan Peterson, psychologist? Hang on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen, because giants are going to walk the earth once more. Listen, geniuses, Adrian Mays, no bluff, no BS. There's no denying it. This revolutionary force of AI, it's knocking on our door. The Detroit ChatGPT revolution is here. It's already entered our homes, our lives. We have Alexa, Siri, even robots cleaning the floor. The way I see it, you have one of two choices. You can ignore it and let it become your enemy, or choice number two, you can embrace it and make it your greatest ally. The hardest thing, the unparalleled power of AI, blending it in with the art of marketing, I believe will create one of the most lucrative and insane expansions in the future. Bringing this with CCC Because We Care Foundation, there are countless businesses out there, countless. Detroit and worldwide, desperate to attract new customers, but they're lost in the age of digital real estate marketing. They need your help, my help, our help, your expertise, and your marketing, your AI genius. Your bespoke billionaire plan is right there, and your lifeline, that's you that they're hoping to see, and hopefully to master the skill to bring them to genius level. Let's go, geniuses. Billie Jean is taking a group of pioneers with his 10-day AI business program and his 16-week accelerator, his AI-powered advertising agency. Zero marketing or tech experience required. Let me share with you how it works. CCC Because We Care Foundation and the Work and Learning Experience Program every Tuesday, you'll jump on live weekly on a Zoom call with Adrian Mays, your girl, and get step-by-step directions on how to create an AI-powered advertising agency from scratch from learnings from Billie Jean's AI marketing. To keep you accountable, there's real live assignments and quizzes. They'll be able to enhance your ability to generate customers online and build that bespoke billionaire brand with social media powered artificial intelligence. Now, Monday through Friday, if you actually invest in Billie's course, the 16-week Accelerator, he has AI marketing experts that help with technical questions that may help you to complete assignments if you invest in his Accelerator. But with the Work and Learning Experience Program, we're going to learn virtually or over Zoom and literally take it step by step in 1 week at a time over 16 weeks. Because Billie Jean over-delivers in every single capacity. If you're someone that is a forward thinker and you think different, and you're a leader who's going to change the world, this is one of the biggest opportunities to become a billionaire you have. And it starts with your billionaire mindset. Student testimonials, they stated if you're willing to learn Billie Jean's AI program and you want cutting edge of what is coming and is now here, in our society, in the way of technology, this is the spot for you. You can't even believe the opportunity available now. with all the AI marketing skills. Another testimonial shared the skills that you can't believe, and you're going to get them in record time. Most of all, you're going to love how Billie Jean's team supports you in your path to your AI marketing goal. Another testimonial that went through Billie Jean's program. He said, you've got to do this. It is AI-powered advertising. It's off the hook. This information, another testimonial, has been phenomenal, it has shared. This AI revolution is coming so fast, and it's going to make a lot of noise and a lot of people a lot of money. So whether you want to do this for your own business or even start an agency, this is the course for you. This work and learning experience program. And the next step is Billie Jean's 10-day AI program and then his 16-week accelerator. His team, they're amazing. They're in front of the latest technology. They have all the tools in their tool belt ready to get things done with you as well. So if you want to play the game with AI to think to the next level, I don't think there's anything comprehensive and inclusive as Billie Jean's program. Being a part of that it's so cool. You have teams that you can actually interact with. You have moving forward together. My team, our team, Digital Geniuses, we're going to be number one in everything that we do. It's so much fun. We have a blast. We've learned more in class about AI and marketing in the last 16 weeks over any type of book you can read or anything online that you can ever get. You will never regret it. So if you want to embark in this once-in-a-generation opportunity, make sure you click the link below and get involved with the Work and Learning Experience program. This is going to get started soon, and enrollment starts now. And our mantra that we go with CCC, Because We Care Foundation, I can, I will, I must. Make sure you click the link now before it's too late. Here's why this is a no-brainer. It's a free course, acts of kindness. If you attend your first day of class and it doesn't live up to the hype, then just don't attend class again. But if it does live up to the hype, consider investing in Billie Jean's 10-day AI business program. His best deal, the program for the 16-week accelerator, it's typically $10,000. But if you head over to Billie Jean's website, he has a great, amazing offer for you. So yes, you want to enroll in the CCC Because We Care Foundation AI-powered accelerator with your girl, Adrienne Mays, AI Genius. This is how it works. For 16 weeks, we will be live on Zoom with Adrienne Mays, AI Genius, every Tuesday. Every Tuesday, we'll be live to answer questions as well as hold you accountable to the previous week and anything that's trending in AI or that you're implementing. The whole goal is to attend class each week and ask questions and engage with the network. The $1 Million Genius Studio that Billie Jean has in San Diego, California, he does that located there, but we're going to do it virtually. So yes, you want to enroll into the AI-powered agency accelerator with your girl, Adrienne Mays, AI Genius. Click the link now, get started, as this class is going to fill up soon because we're going to just keep going and going and going because geniuses, there's no stopping until we get to the top. Anything is possible. If you think different with your bespoke billionaire plan with Adrienne Mays, AI Genius, I can, I will, I must. Let's go. Head on over and get started. Let's go.